Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. I'm going to talk to you now about Fusion Clean, one of our Encap products. pH neutral, dilution's 1 to 25, that's 40 ml per litre, nice and simple. Pre-spray the carpet after you've removed dry soil by vacuuming. And you can either use a rotary brush machine or a CRB to work this in. You get a little bit of foam from it. As it dries, it what we call brittleizes or crystallizes and absorbs the soil particles in the carpet. It dries out, that's the brittle bit, becomes less sticky. That then allows you to remove it using a dry vacuuming process. Alternatively, you could still use a rotary machine, but use a bonnet or a pad on it. Some people call this pad capping. So you're going to agitate the cleaning solution using the pad and encapsulate and remove some of the soil on the pad itself. Great for commercials. Like I said, pH neutral. Don't let that put you off in terms of it's not very strong. It doesn't need to be, it works in a different way. It not only leaves behind a soil retardant to stop soil building up within the fibres of the carpet, but it'll also stop wicking. Really can be quite annoying on a commercial where you get wicking 2 days after you've left.